Welcome back to All Occasion Giftz. Today we're going to be working on episode 3 of the Valentine's Day gift basket series. If you have subscribed to my channel, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's going to get real exciting in here, moving from Valentine's Day to Easter, directly to Mother's Day, and then straight to Father's Day. Okay, so let's get started with this Valentine's Day gift basket. I've already wrapped my box, and I use this beautiful wrapping paper from Hobby Lobby. And if you notice it's going down one way and up the other way, that's because I spliced two pieces together, because you need to have the bows going down on the box. I have this perfume set, and I think it's called Evelyn. It's in a beautiful box. We have our rose. I have a tumbler. I have this heart-shaped box. And then I have a teddy bear. I use a lot of teddy bears because I have a lot of bears. So what I'm trying to use as many as I can. I do some baskets with no bears in them because, you know, everybody doesn't want a bear. But for right now, I'm using a teddy bear. And then I have this Strawberry Bliss body butter and shimmering bubble bath. Comes in a nice, beautiful bag. Okay, so let's see. I have this ribbon. It was an after Christmas ribbon from Walmart. Going to be using this. And let's get started. I'm just going to move everything out of the way. I'm going to take and I'm going to remove this ribbon, and I'm going to replace it with a ribbon that is more, fits the scheme of the basket a little bit better. I'm going to use this ribbon. And this is going to be the bow, the new bow. And these ribbons are usually just attached with a couple stitches to the bear. I'm going to save the ribbon for future project. And then I'll just use the tagging gun to add the ribbon to the bear. And then he's all set. And he, you know, kind of matches that box a little bit better. That bubble bath. Okay, so then next I'm going to add the tumbler. And nothing is in place. I'm just kind of, you know, trying to figure out where everything is going to go exactly. Okay, so we got the tumbler. And then next, I'm going to take this heart-shaped box, and I am going to move this over. I'm going to place the lid in the box backwards so you can see the glitter of the box. I'm going to use the glue dots to secure the lid. And then next I'm going to take and add a small box inside so it raises the items up. But I'm going to wrap this little box with tissue paper. I'll wrap it with this red tissue paper. And then I'm just going to place it inside the box. And then I'm just going to take the tissue paper and spread it inside there. And then next I'm going to take the perfume set and I'm going to take it out of the box. And I'm going to place it inside the heart box. Let's see where you go with that one. Add the spray. And then we'll add the small one. Add the spray. And then I'll add the small perfume. And I'll use a glue dot on this one. Glue dot on the other one. And I end up using double glue dots because these glue dots don't always work like they are supposed to. Okay, and then next I'm going to take and add a piece of tulle to the front of the box just to dress it up a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to take the box and I'm going to add it right to the front of the bear. Remember, nothing's in place completely. And then I'm going to add the rose. I'm just going to place the rose, let's see, on there. Let me see. Or do we want to give him the rose up in the air? For some reason, I think I'll just like laying them on the box. I don't know. Yep, I'm just going to lay that rose on the box. And let me just get everything tacked down. And I'm just going to use fishing wire, and I'm going to tie the bear and the bag down. Put the fishing wire under his arms. And also, I like to add a piece of tape on the side of the foam board so it doesn't pull the fishing wire straight through the foam board when I tighten it up. I'll just add a piece of tape to both sides. And then just tie it off. And then these are both secure. Add a little piece of tape to this one. Or actually, I'll place a glue dot behind the box. Okay, and then next I'm going to add the tumbler. And let me just take the tag off of that one. I usually leave the bottom half of the tag on there, only take the price part off. And I'm going to add it right back there. A little bit of tape. Use two pieces. I usually crisscross the tape. Okay, and then next I'm going to take and add the heart box. I'm just going to place it right back in front of the bear. And same thing, I'm just going to use a piece of tape to secure it down. Let's reposition this cup a little bit. That's the good thing about the Hobby Lobby paper. It doesn't tear up when you lift the tape. Add a piece of tape to the back to secure it a little bit tighter. we go. And is want to take that tag off or no? Oh, I guess we can leave the tag. Okay, so next I'm just going to lay the rose across the box. And then that's going to be it. Get position for this rose. And I'm going to take and cut some of this back off this backer. So probably right about there. And there you go. This is the third Valentine's Day gift basket in the series. I want to say thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. The next video up will be a rose bear. I'm going to make a rose bear box. All right. Once again, thanks for watching.